Welcome, mamas, to Slow Down with Kirsten 30-day prenatal yoga journey. Today is day 4. It is all about keeping a flexible mind. With a flexible mind, you can navigate this beautiful journey of pregnancy with grace and ease. If you are not already subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button so that you don't miss out on future videos. You're not going to want to miss out on the next videos coming, so hop into something comfy and let's get started. Relax down into a seated position. Remember to take your time, and if I am ever cueing too fast or too slow, please remember to flow at your own pace. Remember to be mindful of the hormone relaxant in your body. It can loosen the ligaments and joints in your body, so please do not overstretch. Come to notice your breath. Staying grounded on your hip bones, relaxing your shoulders down. As you inhale, gently begin to roll your shoulders back. Begin shoulder rolls in the opposite direction. Let's loosen up that neck a bit, rolling your head side to side. We don't just want to create flexibility in our body, but also in our minds. Bringing arms out to a T, flip your palms and grab opposite elbows behind your back. If this feels good, you can stay here, or you can move into a reverse prayer position. You should feel a stretch in your upper shoulders, in your back, your neck, and your spine. As you inhale, elongate your spine. Inhale peace and calm. And as you exhale, release any tension or stress you may be carrying. When you're ready, release this hold. Bring the soles of your feet out in front of you to touch. Inhale, sit tall. And exhale, begin to walk your hands forward. Inhale, lengthen your spine, shine your heart forward. And exhale, fold. You can tuck your chin to feel a bit more of a stretch in the back of your neck. Allow gravity to do the work here. Remember not to overstretch. On an inhale, walk your hands back up. Bring the soles of your feet to the ground, as wide as your yoga mat, and come up into a Malasana squat. We're going to hold this pose for a little bit, so get comfortable. Place elbows on the outside of your knees. You can use them as leverage. You can even place a cushion or a block underneath you if you'd like. As you settle into Malasana, feel the ground beneath your feet, supporting you just as you support the new life growing within you. Let your spine lengthen and your breath flow naturally. Close your eyes if that feels comfortable and bring your awareness inward. In this moment of stillness, I invite you to reflect on the concept of flexibility, not just in your body, but in your mind and spirit. Pregnancy is a journey of constant change, much like the waves of the ocean. Each wave brings something new, and with it, an opportunity to adapt and grow. Take a deep breath in, filling your lungs completely. And as you exhale, release any tension you might be holding on to. Consider the strength of bamboo, which bends with the wind but does not break. In the same way, allow yourself to bend with the changes and uncertainties that come with pregnancy and the birth of your child. Embrace each moment with a flexible mind, open to the unexpected, and trust in your inner strength. As you continue to hold Malasana, feel your hips opening, creating space within your body. Let this be a reminder of the mental and emotional space you can create by staying flexible. This openness will serve you during labor and delivery, allowing you to go with the flow and remain present and calm. When challenges arise, when this pose starts to feel uncomfortable, remind yourself that you have the power to adapt and find balance. With a flexible mind, you can navigate this journey with grace and ease. Take one more deep, nourishing breath in, and as you exhale, bring a gentle smile to your face, embracing these changes with pregnancy with a full heart of love and a mind open to all possibilities. Slowly, when you're ready, release this pose. Bring your legs out in front of you into seated staff pose. You can place a folded blanket, a bolster, a pillow beneath your hips to help your pelvis roll forward so your spine is elongated. Come into Janu Shashasana on the right side. Right leg elongated straight out in front of you. The left foot, sole of your foot, on your inner thigh. Sit up tall. And when you're ready, begin to walk your hands back, placing elbows on the mat. When you're ready, come back up to a seated pose. Inhale, hands up overhead. And exhale, fold over your leg that's extended. As you breathe here, feel the lengthening in your hamstrings and your hips. And inhale, walk your hands back up. Place your left foot right above your right knee for a figure 4 stretch. Bring the right sole of your foot to the mat, bending your right leg. Inhale, sit up tall. You can place your hands back behind you for some support in your lower back. Release this pose and you can do some windshield wipers to open up those hips. Come into Janu Shashasana, left side now. Left leg out long, elongated, and the right sole of your foot to your inner thigh. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, fold. Place the right foot now above your knee, coming into a figure 4 stretch. Now bring the left sole of your foot to the ground. Place your hands behind you for added support. Breathe deeply here. On an inhale, come out of this pose into seated staff and begin to move into all fours. Bring knees as wide as your mat, toes to touch, and begin to walk your hands forward for a child's pose. Settle into this pose, come into stillness. Let everything go on the mat. And when you're ready, come into side lying Savasana. Get comfortable here. Place a pillow between your knees, a blanket under your head. This is a time for you to connect with your body and also with your baby. You can place one hand on your belly and begin to relax and slow down here. Coming back to your practice, begin to wiggle your fingers and your toes. Keeping your eyes closed, begin to come into a seated position. Placing your hands on your belly. Repeat this affirmation. I am safe and I am loved. My baby is safe and loved. Bring your hands in prayer position up to your third eye. Namaste. Thank you so much for joining me in this practice today. This program is a 30-day program, so if you enjoyed this video and want to see more prenatal videos, be sure to click subscribe so you don't miss the upcoming videos. Or if you have a question for me and the community, please comment that below too. Also, you can give this video a thumbs up and share it with another mama to help build this community of powerful, intuitive women. I also have lots of resources for pregnant moms and will link them in the description below. Thank you for joining me again. You are amazing. I hope this prenatal yoga journey helps you in your pregnancy and your journey. I know you can do this. I'm so excited for you to meet your baby, and I hope to see you in the next video.